What up, bros? It's been a bit. Let me get on the Twitter here. Oh, it is Scopie Saturday today. Yo. I have 3 messages on Twitter. Hi, sir. Can you teach me how to hack? No, but like this is actually a the person by putting your name, but like, hi, sir. Can you teach me how to hack? What is this crap? I don't hack, man. I'm the head of research. I do research. Be reseller of your product. You buy and we'll sell you. We email support at comma.ai. We have bulk discounts. You guys know that, right? We have bulk discounts. I am not social engineer. Teach you how to hack EPS. Well, okay. Guys. Yeah, I'm promoted. I'm head of research now. Inventory. We have 27 64 gig eons left. This is how much eons we have. If we could sell them right here on this Periscope, I would be blown away by the power of the comma community. The other thing that we'd like to do on this Periscope is, you see this? 4923. Could that get to 5,000? Could you and tell your friends 5,000? Okay. So I don't know what to talk about anymore because I'm not CEO, but I do have some ideas. We're going to talk about 2 things today. We're going to talk, 1, about bubbles. And about, by the way, you guys know that we are open sourcing the maps by the end of the year. Maybe, hang on. Let me just check on something quick. Yo, Andy, you got a map we can show the Scopies? You can get time. If you bring something up in like 20 minutes? Yeah. All right, cool. All right, so we're going to have a map for you guys, but later, and that's only if we reach one of our goals, which is either 5,000 Slack users or all 27 eons sold. And we'll show you guys a map. But here's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about bubbles. So let's erase this board because, there's secrets. Our comma.ai research, right? So but we're here to talk about bubbles today. So let's talk about bubbles, right? So say you have a mapping company, right? All right, so you have a mapping company. And say you have a LiDAR company, right? These companies are all supposed to feed into self-driving car companies, right? Say like fleet operators. So, you have mapping, LiDAR, self-driving car, right? But here's the problem with this kind of stuff. Where do these people get money? Where do the LiDAR companies and the mapping companies get money? Maybe we'll draw the arrow the way the money goes, right? So the arrows represent money. So the money goes from the self-driving car companies to the mapping and the LiDAR companies. But the problem is this. All of this money, this is the bubble. All of this money comes from VCs, right? So you have VCs, or in the case of Waymo, Google, funding the self-driving car companies, which then pay out the LiDAR and the mapping companies, right? So the LiDAR and the mapping companies can register large amounts of sales so they can increase their valuation in order to funnel money back to the VCs, right? So here's the problem, right? Over here, you have consumers. And consumers in our neoliberal society is where wealth comes from. But consumers don't buy LiDAR, consumers don't buy maps, and aside from us and Tesla, consumers don't buy self-driving cars. So there's no arrow connecting the consumers to this bubble. So this is a bubble. It's just literally companies passing VC money around. Now, the cool thing about this is you have this thing called fractional reserve banking. And the way fractional reserve banking works is like this. Okay, and this is a real thing about the banking system. I don't know if you guys know about it or not, but if I'm Bob and I have $10,000, I deposit $10,000 into my bank account, right? So Bob, $10,000 into account. The bank can actually lend out my $10,000 up to a certain amount. So let's say it's actually pretty high. I think they actually have to keep like 10% of cash reserves on hand. So Bob can lend out $9,000 of my $10,000 to your boy Carl. But then Carl can open an account. Actually, you know what? Let me do this in a different color because this is $9,000 of debt, right? This is $9,000 of debt. Carl can open an account and fund that account with the $9,000. Do you guys see the problem? What's the total sum in the accounts? It's $19,000. But only $10,000 of real value was put into the bank. I don't know about Carl. I don't think we should marginalize Carl like that. But all I'm saying is this kind of shit is unsustainable, right? This is the self-driving car bubble. Consumers are over here. Now, there's this hypothetical line, which we'll draw in yellow, that talks about ride sharing. But I don't see ride sharing ever, well, not ever, but like in the next 10 years, being able to compete with Uber and Lyft. So that line will remain yellow. I'm not sure. Carl's not bankrupt, man. Carl borrowed $9,000 from the bank and put it into his account. So now the bank will write it in yellow, since it's just as fake as the consumers and the ride sharing. The bank has $19,000, except they really only got $10,000 in. Do you see how this works? It's the exact same scam that's being perpetuated here. VCs invest in a self-driving car company. The self-driving car company predicts that there will be demand for 1 million LiDARs. So they put in a hypothetical order for 1 million LiDARs. Then the LiDAR company valuation goes up. Then the VCs report back to their, of course, you know, VCs are just middlemen. They report back to their LPs that they made a lot of money. But they didn't actually make any money because this is a closed system. If you guys study physics, you know about energy, you know about closed systems, right? Oh, I could show you guys something crazy today. I'm really tempted to do it, you know. I'm really, no. We're not going to do it. We're not going to do it. But this is a Sellathon. So have we sold any Eons? Have we sold any Eons? We're at 27. Come on, guys, buy Eons. Who's buying Eons? Do we sell any Eons? See, oh, it's refreshing. It's refreshing. How's Slack coming? Can you tell your friends to get it? No, we have 27 left. Can you tell your friends also to get into our Slack? Tell everybody, join our Slack. Should we post this on Twitter? Let's post this on Twitter. You guys can watch me while I use the computer. I also have a pure leaf tea for the purest leaves of tea. What are we working on? Well, we made new model. We have new model now. Our new model should be shipping pretty soon. But we have peoples in our Slack. You can still be in the first 5,000 people to join if you join today. An historic opportunity. And now let's include the link. Is it a historic or an historic? Slack.comma.ai. All right, let's look at my tweet. So we can look at me on Periscope, which I don't even know how that works, man. All right, but back to bubble economics. Oh, mapsdev.comma.life. Oh, guys, we have something for you today. Oh. No, but guys, honestly, if we don't even sell one Eon, I'm not showing you the maps. Someone's got to go out. Someone's got to buy an Eon. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. These maps look hardcore. Wow. No, that looks too good. I'm not showing it to you because nobody bought the Eons. Or if we can get 5,000 people in our Slack. This is doable, you guys. The map is sick, but, we can't do it because no one bought any Eons yet today. Use your referral code. It's 4. All right, guys. But see the problem here? This line is yellow and will remain yellow for 10 years. VCs don't think on a 10-year... You know when you can see the map. VCs don't think on a 10-year time frame. So here's the question that I ask to all of you guys. When will Waymo go out of business? Will Waymo, let's say, die? All right? Like, how much money is Google willing to dump into Waymo for some hypothetical future profitability that just doesn't make that much sense? So we have a new CEO around here. I'm not a CEO anymore. I'm George. I'm head of research and head of bubble speculation shit. And the new CEO started making charts of company financials. And I'm amazed by this because I never did this. I was a terrible CEO. And it turns out you can predict in the future how much money your company's going to have. Now, I wonder who's doing this for Waymo. Now, some of these companies are straight up scams. Some of these companies I think are straight up scams. And then here's another thing, guys. Here's another thing about, if you ever thinking of starting a company, I know I tell you not to, but here's something to think about. Don't raise a lot of money because if you end up in a place like Zooks, you're worth nothing, right? Think of a house that has a huge mortgage on it, and then the housing market goes down. Your house is literally worth nothing, even if you put money into that mortgage, right? So when you raise too much money, when you take out too large a mortgage, your property can literally go to zero. But if you manage to do everything with little money, comma.ai's raised $8.1 million. It's pretty easy to make, man. That kind of money falls out of trees. But yeah, back to my point. So here's the interesting thing. If there's no way that money gets into this bubble by consumers, because consumers aren't buying LiDAR, consumers aren't buying maps. Oh, now you have some new one. Oh, some new one. I can't believe. I'm not going to name any names of stupid VCs, but someone invested in a simulation company. This is unbelievable, right? And then you have companies like Voyage, So Voyage, you guys know Voyage? I'm really going to call Voyage out about this because Voyage is... Let's look at Voyage. Guys, by the way, I'll show you the maps, but someone's got to buy Eons or join our Slack. Oh, we got 4 people in our Slack. Our Slack is up to 4929. Yeah, okay. You guys keep making that go up. If we get that up to 5,000, I will show you the maps. But we got to get that up to 5,000. How's our Eon sales coming? We have a cool live view here, don't we? Do we have live view? Not analytics, not discounts, live view. There we go. You guys are quiet today. All right, we have 1 visitor right now. I hope they're buying an Eon because if they buy Eons, buy your Eon today. Oh, I can't show you that. Well, that's too good. That's too good. All right. What did I want to show you? Oh, yeah, Voyage. Okay. So, not Voyager. That was a great Star Trek, though. So Voyage, oh wow, they actually got to the first for all Voyage.auto. So Voyage partners with everybody. They're buying all this crappy technology from every company. Where do they have? Oh, Precedent. Wow, this is a nice website, man. Wow, this cost a lot of VC money, man. Let's look at Voyage on Crunchbase and let's see how much money there is, right? So Voyage is one of these companies that makes everybody happy in the self-driving car world. What operating system? It's Linux with Exponent. So Voyage has raised, that's not that much money, actually. They've only raised that? $20 million. Okay. Oh, can't show you that. Whoa, that was too much. Voyage, Thomas, you go see your community. And they do some cool things like open autonomous safety. Anyone who's open, I'm always happy with. But here's the problem, right? So Voyage gets $10 million here, or $20 million here, and then partners with every company and distributes the money to these other companies. But like, this isn't sustainable as long as there's no dashed line. So let me tell you about the comma business model. Here's comma, up here. We take money from VCs. Then we take money from consumers. And then we don't work with anybody else. And then eventually, we take more money from the consumers than we took from the VCs, and we pay the VCs back. You see how that works? Why is the maps page up? Oh, well, we could see maps, but guys, we got to get to, what are we up to in Slack? 4392, guys. You just got to get in 68 more people. You get 68 more people in Slack. I'll show you guys the maps. Someday we'll do a Twitter or follow-a-thon too. Let's see. I was a terrible CEO. Yeah, of course, man. Yeah, I'll heart that. Let's heart that. That's true. All right. Tesla. How's Elon doing, man? I'm telling you though, you don't pay return percentage to VCs. It's all a scam. It's all like I can talk more really about how the Silicon Valley scam works. You don't actually ever have to pay the VCs back, technically. The VCs are kind of like a crack dealer. They give you good terms at the beginning. You build this unsustainable thing, and then they end up getting control of it. Look at Uber, right? So how did Travis from nothing? How does he lose control? And it's because he built something that, as amazing as it was and how much it did for the world, it was unsustainable. So the VCs sink their claws in, they get board seats, they get majority shareholder, and then, well, that's the end of your company, right? So you got to avoid these things, but these things are pretty easy to avoid if you understand what the scam is. VCs may not even care if you understand what the scam is, because the whole VC business model is predicated on 95% of their investments failing. And then the success of 5% is what drives the rest of it. So the VCs at comma, the VCs own 17% of the company. So they're a 17% shareholder. So another thing for you guys to know, there's preferred stock and common stock. So the VCs have preferred stock, and employees and founders have common stock. This is very common at companies. So what preferred stock has a few advantages, but one of the great things that actually helps with the whole preferred stock scam is your 409A valuations. So the 409A valuation, the valuation which you can grant options at, is valued on common stock. You know what? I'm appalled that I learned all this crap. Get in here, join the comma.ai Slack. Why should you? You shouldn't. Get in here, join the comma.ai Slack. If you get up to 5,000, I will show you. I'm looking at comma maps right now. Damn, these look pretty good. Wow. Parts of it could be better. Wow, but no, that's dense, bros. That's dense. Oh. Well, we can't look at it until we get to 5,000 people, or we sell, let's say 7 eons. 7 eons is a good number. That's actually a feasible thing. Can we sell 7 eons? I don't know. Come on, 5K. Let's do it. 5K in our Slack. I like that number. It's a good number, right? Yo, user growth, you guys. We've taken 300. We've smashed beyond it. We're trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. That would be some crazy shit. Eons are $6.99. We used to have Midnight Black Eons, which were $8.29, but Midnight Black Eons are sold out, never to be made again. Yeah, so that's a true thing about Eons. But, okay, so do you guys about bubble economics? Right, do you see what I mean? If there's no revenue stream from consumers, how all of these companies can exist in this self-perpetuating business development loop where they all spend VC money on each other, and then it's like fractional reserve banking. And then like the VCs can talk about how they have more value than they started with without ever creating any value, right? Just like Bob. Remember, Bob deposited $10,000 into a bank account. The bank loaned $9,000 to Carl, who then deposited that $9,000 into account. Now, the bank has $19,000 when you sum up all of its accounts. But clearly, well, so is the bubble going to burst? I mean, this is an interesting question. So despite knowing this, and despite everybody knowing this, you can't really say when the bubble's going to burst, right? If you could know this, you could make money. Now, it depends on what form of the efficient market hypothesis you believe. But, yeah. I'll show you guys this, too. This is the page. This is where we train our models. The new model that's going in the car is this one here. This is the fine-tuning training. But look at this crazy loss. Negative 3.07. Oh, deep map's a joke, you guys. When Google you can't load maps. Maps aren't ready yet. But no. If we can get to 5,000 users or 7 Eon sales, but we have no Eon sales yet. Come on, people. Come on, this Saturday's a rough day for Eon sales. I do like this number of, I do like that up. Everyone likes their graph. Oh, was that a sale? Was that a sale? Oh, I don't know. Been following your career. I don't know if a career. That's kind of a lofty way to describe it. But hey, Scopies. All right. Are you in self-driving for the safety of everyone, or are you motivated by... this is like a Stalin thing, man. Like, Stalin's always about your motivations, right? Like, your actions don't even matter. We just got to look at you. Oh, we have one visitor right now. Look at that. One visitor. Yeah, visitor. Oh, I love visitor. All right. Come visit our shop, shop.comma.ai. You can buy things on it. Please buy things. We love when you buy things because we're a company that tries to make money. We're not like Scam. Scam just tries to take money from other people. We try to make money. We try to create value. Comma.ai, not Scam. Is there any accidents with Comma? Not that I know of. There should be some. It's surprising that there's not. Oh, you know what? I will show you guys something else too that we just think is crazy. Open about this stuff. Oh, wow. Wow, look at how much miles we're up to. There's so much miles. There's so much miles. That's crazy. Wait, but we were looking at something else. Okay, I don't know where it is right now, but we did some looking into our data. You guys keep openpilot engaged for over 50% of the miles. It's really good. That's one of the metrics that we've started tracking and we want to go up. We want to increase your engage time on drives. We want to drive down disengagements, but we also want to what we really want to do with our Eon and all future products that are kind of like Eons is make value for you. And when I say we're research. I'm research, okay? So so that's the other thing that we're going to talk about a little bit today. And then if we can get our Slack up to, oh, come on, people, you got to join. You got to join the Comma channel on Slack. We're at 4933, just 67 more to go. We're going to keep this Scopie going. If all 77 of you, you're probably all in Slack already. If you all get one friend to join our Slack, go on AOL Instant Messenger, go on IRC, go on ICQ. I don't know what the kids are using these days, but get them into the Comma.ai Slack. It's a big party. It's the most lit party on the internet. I don't like talking like Logan Paul anymore. That guy's a loser. Fuck the KSI fight. You're not on Slack. Go to slack.comma.ai. Man, I hate my friends too. I know that feels. I know those feels. All right, let's check our Twitter notifications. I love checking my Twitter notifications. I was a terrible CEO. I liked that. All right. Jerry Lewis. Who is Jerry Lewis? Is he related to Jerry Seinfeld or Ray Charles, the blind guy? I saw some documentary about that guy. Would you want my dad's trucking business to start logging miles? It's not really. All right. We're letting you in on a secret. You all love when I reveal secrets. We got too much miles to train. The model is not trained on all the miles. We have too much miles. We have 5.6 million miles. And that's a lot of cloud money in order to process all those miles. Drop Slack and use Discord. No. That's a banned topic. That's a banned. Oh, it's a 4935. Guys, you know what I'm doing after this Scopie? I'm getting pancakes. Yo, let's listen to the Mac Lethal song about pancakes. Wait. No. This isn't degenerating into the same bullshit I do on Twitch. By the way, if you want to follow me on Twitch, it's twitch.com/Tom Cruise. That's Tom Cruise with 2 zeros and 1 3. That's right, you'll find it. Dude, hook it up. No. That shit looks like some pancakes, right? Waffles, Trump pancakes. I could do waffles. I could, but you get one waffle. You get 3 pancakes. Okay. You want to talk about the research agenda? Let's talk about the research agenda since we are comma.ai research. We hired someone. Well, he hasn't signed the offer yet, but if he comes on board, we're very, very excited. That would make comma research 3 people. So you guys know it's me, it's Harold, and then it's New Guy. And New Guy, remember the old machine learning engineer? New Guy is, the old machine learning engineer doesn't work here anymore. I'm a machine learning engineer right now, but New Guy is the best machine learning engineer I know. Real shit. So we'll talk about our research agenda. Oh, you have an accident. What happened? Are you trolling? Post that in Slack. We'd be interested, especially if the system was engaged. I'm sure the way you smirked, it couldn't have been that bad. So here's the truth about car accidents, guys. So we're at, we're always hiring good engineers. We're at 5.6 million miles. Humans get into accidents about once every 100,000 miles. So we should actually have 56 accidents in our data set. Yeah, a guy backed into you. Yeah, see, no, but like this is the kind of bullshit. Most accidents really aren't bad. And I think that 100,000 only includes accidents where there are insurance claims or police reports. I think there's a whole lot of accidents that are just like, tiny bumps and everyone gets out and go, yeah, you hit my car. Hey, you hit my car. All right, everything's fine. Let's go. No, but I don't think those accidents don't count. I don't know what the numbers are on those, but I think it's about every 100,000 for accidents usually where nobody's hurt. Just like, dude, you really messed my car up. You got to buy me a new headlight, right? Americans really keep their cars pristine. You go to other countries and the cars are beat up. Some countries, not all countries. I don't mean to. You were great. What happened? Yo, Ronald, you watched 10-hour Twitch slam. Yeah, I don't know, man. I did that shit. All right, so let's talk about our research agenda. 4938. Sorry, it's hard for me to read numbers. If everybody could get just 62 more people into our Slack, we will be super happy with you guys. You guys, no one's bought Eons yet though. We gotta buy Eons. You gotta buy Eons, buy Eons. Yo, you know what? You know what trolled me recently? The Carter 5. Who thought the Carter 5 was gonna... Okay, sorry, this is Twitch shit, man. This is Twitch shit. We can't do Twitch shit. Oh. No, come on, everyone just get 61 more people in here. We need more Slack users so we can unlock the Slack 5K Gold package. And then we will click on this tab right here that says comma maps. You've all seen some stuff. All right, who's messaging me on Slack? Sorry, you're getting outed. No, I won't. Oh, yeah, cool. This is public on YouTube? I guess you posted it. Let's watch an accident with openpilot. Insurance paid for it, bro. Yeah. All right. As long as we keep all the accidents we have to accidents like that, we can all laugh and be amused. 10 out of 10. Well, that's clearly not comma issue, yeah. It's not like he went reverse slow, man. Do I actually type that fast? Nah, I have a production team. They edit it and post. You know, you can do everything with editing these days. It's all fake news. These Scopies are all scripted too. You know, we got script writers. That's really, like I tell you guys, we got hundreds of employees at comma.ai. Most of them are script writers for the Periscopes. The script writers wanted to acknowledge themselves, and that's why they put this line in the script. That's too much. All right, let's look at how much users we have. Do we have users? Oh, 41, you guys, 41. Keep it going, keep it going. By the way, big shout out to it is JFrux, right? For getting opc.ai up. This is the unofficial openpilot community web. Oh, well, I might have spoke too soon. Oh, it's loading. There we go. Like you can check out your car. You can see if your vehicle is supported. Ooh, see if I have a Chrysler Pacifica. Any videos of this one? Oh, let's heart that. I need to sign in. Let's see videos. Bro, you need a bigger box. Yeah, Prius Prime. Okay, let's talk about our research agenda. So you guys know, who knows what the original sin of comma.ai is? Does anyone know? Am I lagging? It's not lag, but it's just the same letter. Lanes. Lanes are the original sin of comma.ai. So we want to remove lanes from the model. And you think, if we remove lanes from the model, how is it going to keep driving on the highway? It'll work fine. The problem with lanes is you have to ground truth lanes, and it's unclear what the definition of a lane is. So by using more sophisticated machine learning techniques, we can remove the necessity to ground truth lanes in our data set, and we can move to path. We really want our models to output a path of the car. And then you can turn the path into trajectory using MPC. So what's the second sin of comma.ai? I don't think I've ever talked about the second sin of comma.ai publicly, but they're really pieces of shit, and they've been responsible for God knows how many deaths. You know, a few deaths I can think of, a few autopilot deaths. The radars. So the car radars are garbage. And the reason the car radars are garbage is because they give you back objects. They don't give you back raw information. They're not like cameras, which give you pictures. They give you post-process cars. But on the radar, you can't tell the difference between a car and a manhole cover, or a stopped car versus manhole, right? And if you remember, so you guys will see this in openpilot. I mean, ours isn't very good at it either. When you're coming up sometime behind a stopped car, sometimes it will stop, but sometimes it won't. It's all about whether the vision fusion triggers. So you can look at things like Tesla Autopilot. If you remember the truck accident or the divider accident, both the truck and the divider were very visible to the radar, but they were classified to be more like manholes than stopped cars. You can't tell, the radar doesn't give you any indication of height. So what I want to do is do away with the radar and do away with the concept of cars entirely. Like right now we have this thing called lead car, but I want it to go away, and I want it to just be implicit in the data. So the new guy doesn't know yet, but these are going to be his bonuses. These are going to be his bonuses. If comma.ai research can deliver models, Tesla's one radar as far as I know. It's a Bosch MRR. If he can deliver this kind of stuff, we're all here. This is what we're all here to support. Because if we can build models that just output paths and speeds, that shit scales to level 4, bros. I don't play CTFs anymore. It got formulaic. Like CTFs used to be cool, and then it turned into chess or StarCraft, where you just have to grind openings. I'm not grinding. But there's a great Lil Wayne song called Grinding, but this is not Twitch, so we're not gonna play it. Let's see how much people we got in Slack. Oh, 4949. You could do that. You could do that. You could do that. Let's get 51 more people in this Slack, and then we will show you the maps. We have to do it in the hour too, so we gotta really accelerate this. We got 25 minutes before I'm leaving to go get pancakes. So we gotta get more people in the Slack, or we gotta sell 7 Eons. Have we sold? Who's buying Eons today? No one's buying Eons today. Oh. I want pancakes too, that's what I'm talking about, right? I want some real syrup on my pancakes. I'm going to look at the maps. You guys can watch me while I look at the maps. You know, didn't like Skrelly do this on his live streams? He put the headphones in and be like, yeah, I'm Skrelly. I'm listening to the Carter 5, and you're not. Real Skrelly shit. Kamikaze was sick. Kamikaze was sick. Kill shot. Man, you know, this is something that gives me hope for the world. I listen to Revival. Eminem's like just angry, like diss at Trump, and it's like, oh man, this guy's over. Like this guy's like, what? He's trying to bait the president. He's coming out with a shit album. Oh my God, he comes out of nowhere with Kamikaze, with like something people can relate to. And then he did Kill Shot. Eminem has blown me away recently. So Eminem gives me hope for doing good shit when I'm 45. Yeah, man. I'd rather be 80-year-old me than 20-year-old you. What a diss, bro. It's taking eons for someone to buy an Eon. Yeah, no, I don't know. They don't sell as well on the weekends. You guys know what the number one sales day for Eons is? Mondays. More people buy Eons on Mondays than any other day. What lines do you want? No, we don't rap. These are official comma.ai Scopies. How's life in Silicon Valley? Kind of shit. Silicon Valley kind of sucks, guys. That's the real shit. Yo, I got some like youth group from Princeton coming to visit me, and they want to hear about entrepreneurship. I'm gonna tell them the truth. That's right. That's right. We're gonna tell them the truth. Been there, full of thieves. Where was these thieves? So we got to remove lanes and we got to remove LiDARs. We're not here to make any kids cry. We love the kids. We are here to, the Princeton kids. Yo, man, they college kids. They 18. They ain't kids. They got to handle the truth, man. No, I mean, Elon talks about the truth. Like, it just sucks. It just sucks. Like, don't start a company. It's not worth it. No, actually, here's what I'm really going to say, right? I'm going to get into why they want to do it, right? I'm going to get into why they want to start a company. And if it's like some like vague feel good, like I want to make the world better shit, that's not going to motivate you. That's not going to keep you motivated to do anything, right? Like they talk about how it is, but you know, these people they burn out. It's signaling. Right? And if they're trying to be an entrepreneur to signal, I'm really going to talk them out of it. But if they actually know things, well then, you know, if you know things, right? You know what you're talking about. I really like when people know things. Finding people who know things is hard. I've been happy. I've been doing research for the last 2 weeks, and I've been thinking of like, you know, all my old machine learning stuff I learned. Do you need more cameras? Not really. I'm not sure why you think you do. This is a topic that would come up a lot. If you want to change lanes, you do. But like lane change is a gimmick. Lane change is more of a gimmick than red lights and stop signs. Because what else should you do if you don't want to start a company? To be honest, like certainly don't go work for a big company. The truth is, if you want to be happy in life, find passive income streams. Like, it's very easy in the world today, if you're a bit smart, to make enough money to live. You know, you're not gonna support a family. You're not gonna support some like stupid consumption habit of yours, whether it's like drugs or handbags or you know, nice clothes or anything like that. If you don't have any of those habits, you don't have expensive vices, you can easily get a passive income stream that will support living. Oh, don't live in rip-off cities like San Francisco and New York either. Like, there's great places, especially around the world, where you can live. Elon Musk, I don't think he started SpaceX to help humanity. I think he wants to go to Mars, and I think he found a way to get other people to pay for it, which is brilliant, man. You got to hand it to the guy, right? He wants to go to Mars. It's got a quote. It's great. You know, it's the classic Elon Musk. I want to die on Mars, just not on impact. There's a modernist. You know, he wants to die, right? Like, I'm a postmodernist. I don't want to die. He doesn't want to die, but like he accepts the natural lifespan of humans, and you know, but he aspires to modernist things. Like, if you think of Elon's fantasies, you know, you think when Elon closes his mind, closes his eyes, he thinks about like a gigafactory in the middle of Nevada, and sharp corners are improved in the new model. Sharp corners are not a limitation of the current camera, really. You can, anything the car can do, you can see with the current camera. Maybe not like a 90-degree turn, but 90-degree turns are, 40 to go. 40 to go, guys. We got 20 minutes and 40 to go. That means we need to see 2 come in every minute, or we're gonna cut the Scopie, and we're not gonna show you the maps. But if we manage to get in 40 people, by the time that little counter hits 1 hour, we will show you guys, yes, we need this growth. We need growth, man. Growth. I'm here. I'm Chief Shilling Officer now, and we need growth. Love growth. Growth fixes all problems, man. You can have the most shit-ass backward government, but if you can show the people growth, people love growth. 61. Oh, no. So, okay. The guy says, Elon, you going to come on that moon trip? I think the first things he thinks is, shit, that rocket might blow up, man. Right? And then he starts talking to the Japanese guy about like, oh, you're so brave, you know, you're so brave for doing this. The guy's like nodding his head, yeah, brave guy. And like, it's not like brave in the face of like nature. It's not like you're like trying to cross the Darien Gap and like it's two people talking about, like, Elon's literally the guy who has more control than anybody over the safety of that rocket. Yeah, we should do a test. I think we should test it first before we put the people in it. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Whoa. I don't want to hear any disses of the Japanese guy. That guy I mean, look, man, he's not building rockets, but think of what's Warren Buffett doing with his money? Bill Gates has these like vaguely charitable enterprises, but like art. More billionaires should be spending their money on art, man. We could have some sick art in the world. If I'm ever a billionaire, mark my words, guys. If I'm ever a billionaire, I want you to tell me, hey, George, remember that time you said you were going to spend it on art? And I'm going to spend it on art. Because art's the only thing that makes life worth living, man. You know what doesn't make life worth living? Grinding capitalism, Moloch bullshit. 62. We're at 62. The growth rates right now are 1 per 2 minutes, and that's not high enough to show you guys the maps. You put a motor to turn the wheel. Yeah, there's a motor on it. Yeah, right? I don't know, man. Things are changing. All the old things I used to say are played out. Are rockets art? Yeah, kind of. I think a lot of technology is art. But yeah, so just so you guys know about the bubble scam. Does everyone know about the bubble scam? I don't know who's in these periscopes, but like, you know, when friends ask you, when people ask you like, you know, about the self-driving car space, the worst is our self-driving cars. They're just the biggest Waymo shills you've ever seen. So this was the question that I wrote on the board earlier in the Scopie. When will Waymo die? Like, when is Google gonna look and be like, well, I mean, the outlay of cash to achieve the expansion we want, with why did joining our Slack not work? Oh, 66 guys, we're getting growth. Just 34 more people. Are the major interstates mapped? Just like the Human Genome Project, mapping is going to be very nonlinear. You know, we don't talk about percentage. We talk about how much good stuff we have. The link is slack.comma.ai. Please join our Slack. Welcome to the Slack Sellathon. Did anyone buy an Eon yet? Buy Eons, come on. No one's buying Eons during this Eon buy-a-thon. This is worse than a PBS telethon, man. I guess this is an expensive purchase. You guys aren't going to impulse buy it. All right, guys. Let's do something crazy. Who wants to do something crazy? I'm doing this with no authority. Who wants to do a $20 coupon on Eons? Should we do it? $20 coupon? $20 coupon? Should we do it? $20? $20 off? Let's do it. Only for the remainder of this Periscope. Let's see if we get anybody to do it. Create discount. Scopie 20. Discount. Fixed amount. $20. Apply to specific products. Eon Dashcam Dev Kit. Add. Applies once per order. Active for today. We're going to turn this off after the Periscope stops. Just guys. I'm pasting the link in Slack. Scopie 20. All right, $50? $50 off? Should we do 50? All right, guys, let's go crazy. Scopie 50. Let's do it. Let's do Scopie 50. If I get in trouble for this, then, promote, get shareable link. Let's do Scopie 50. No, wait. No, that's not copy link. Oh, yeah. That's Scopie 50. $50 off if you buy it during this scope. $50 off. That's right. Only for this Scopie. Who's right now to buy an Eon, change your life? I don't know about that, man. We're not going to show that hard. But it is $50 off if you buy it during this Periscope. But I don't know, man. Eon sales just aren't strong on Saturdays. So get your Eon right now, $50. Scopie 50. No, wait. Guys, we might actually do it with Slack. 4972. We got to get 28 more people. Take it there. No, we don't take crypto. Is anybody going to use the $50 off crazy Eon coupon? Shit's crazy. We've never lowered the price on Eons before. You can get it off, $50 off right now. You do it right now. We added the discount. Just the discount code is Scopie50. Scopie50. When and what is the next release? So next release, all I know, because I work in research, is we're going to have new model. So we're going to have a new model. A new model is a lot tighter. You'll see it when you see it. People on Slack. No, we're going for 5,000 people on Slack. So we need 27 more people. You guys can do it. You got 10 minutes, 27 more people. Scopie 50. Get in, buy your Eon. Scopie 50. Oh. Will this bank loan? To Mary, who puts it in a new account. So, yeah. I mean, so no, I think you actually can. I think you actually can do that. Yeah, I think you can. I don't know what the laws are on fractional reserve banking, but yeah, let's give it a Mary too. Wait for $50. No, it is $50, guys. It is $50 right now if you buy. I don't know. This is an experiment. I'm not sure we're going to get sales. We'll see. I don't know who's in here right now. Got to buy it right now during the Scopie. Oh, man, but then the outstanding orders are going to be like, I want my $50 off. I don't know if we can do that. You got to buy it now. Eon is $50 right now. $50 off. No, not $50. We're not idiots, man. Okay, come on, sell Eons. Scopie 50. If you use the code Scopie 50 at checkout on the comma.ai website, we'll give you $50 off Eons. And it doesn't work with those. You want to buy Eon with $50. No, you can't buy Eon with $50. No. 50 Bitcoins. You can buy Eon. If you send me 50 Bitcoins, I'll send you Eon. I'll send you my Eon. Check your Slack message. Wait, that's public? Uh-oh. Hang on. Andy? No, we're good. We're all good, guys. Maps aren't public. Some maps, if you know where to look, I didn't realize something was public, but it's all right. We should do. Hang on, let's see. Oh no, that map doesn't have any of the data. Check your Eon sales. Did you just buy an Eon? Did you just buy an Eon live right here on the Periscope? That'd be crazy if you did. Yo, we just sold Eon. One order. That's right, we got one order. $679. Wait, 7 people are checking out right now? Holy crap. Wow, this is crazy. I've never seen that number be so big. Is this going to sell Eons? You guys, man. If you think this coupon's good. Well, no, I don't know about that. Oh, Scopie 50. Yeah, get that Scopie 50 right now. The website's not good on iPhone. Yeah. Our designer's on vacation. Okay, guys, we got to get 21 more people in here. The price is $649. That's right. With Scopie 50. Get the craziest discount. Oh, wait. So how much people are checking out right now? Wait, 0? 7! No, it's 50 off. It's 50 off. I listen to you, Scopies. We listen. You'd only have a few more minutes, though. Wow, is this going to work? I love when we can offer discounts for you, bros. I don't know, man. I might have to pay this discount out of pocket because it's not authorized. Yeah, no, that iPhone XS Max is pretty nice. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, shipping is $30. International shipping is $30. That's true. Domestic shipping is free. I wouldn't charge you if I didn't get paid. Some countries you have to pay more than $30 to ship an Eon to. International shipping is scam. First 5,000. Oh man. Oh, this is close. We're 16 people away. We got 6 visitors right now. out. This is the most exciting this thing has ever been. Can Trump use Eon? I don't know. He could try. Eon is for everybody. Do you have reps in Santa Monica? We don't have reps anywhere. We've got 8 people checking out. Come on, guys, convert. Be purchasers right now. Get in the first 5,000 people on Slack. This is Scopie Saturday, Eon Sellathon. Yeah, that's true. Trump would be like, what is this shit? I've seen candidates on The Apprentice make better shit than this. You're fired. You'll rep Santa Monica. What, man? Model. Look at this model. This is why I train the models. Oh, look at sales. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's $1,358. That shit is crazy. We're going to keep this Sellathon going. Should we tweet about it? Nah, because then people are going to complain later. They're going to be like, I wanted the $50 off. This is just for people who are watching this Periscope and who are on our Slack right now. If you're thinking about joining the comma.ai community, today you get $50 off. Oh, did we just get a third order? Yo, sales are going. Moon, look at the moon. $1,336. We got 3 orders right now. Look at that crazy trend line going up. Oh, we're going to keep the Scopie going. You guys are going to get to see maps. Even if it goes a little past an hour, we got 11 more people we got to go. We are live. Right on Periscope. Get in to the Periscope. Join the comma.ai community. It's never been a better day. You can get $50 off an Eon with promo code Scopie50. Yo. Okay. We got 90 over here. We got 4990. Just so you remember, a lot of self-driving cars are scams and bubbles. Let's draw Mary up on the board here. Yeah, we could do Mary. That's right. And now the bank has crazy amounts of money, right? Like we're really getting into the red here. Yeah, so that's right. This is fractional reserve banking. If you guys don't know what it is, look it up. You're being scammed. Oh, $20 for Panda. You want $20 off Panda? Okay, $20 off Panda. Let's do it. Panda 20. Buy your pandas right now. Get $20 off Panda. Panda 20. Nah, just kidding. Pandas are $99. Ah! Let's bring up a picture of Trollface. That's right. We're not lowering the price on pandas. Let's not get too crazy here, guys. Pandas on Amazon, and oh man, okay. All right, I was offended by something recently, and I'll show you guys what I was offended by. We got a 1-star review on Panda. P. Erickson, huge disappointment, worthless to Trollface. Can I? Wait, I'm actually gonna do that. Can I make a coupon? Create discount code Trollface. Here. Fixed amount, discount value -$20. Specific products, Panda. Oh my God, I think I just showed you guys the stock numbers on pandas. That's crazy. Limit to 1 use per customer. That's right. Okay. You guys can... No. Discount value must be greater than or equal to 0. Wait, can we do 0? Let's do 0. Oh, yes. You can also buy pandas with discount code Trollface. Let's tweet about that. Get $0 off comma.ai Panda with discount code Trollface. Wait, no, we need a link. There we go, link. Now let's get a picture of Trollface. Save image, yep, go, yep, Twitter, tweet, downloads, troll face. Oh yeah! Oh yo. I'm allowed to give $0 discounts. Get Panda? No. Get $0 off Panda. Wait, it's not $0. Did I? It's a $0 discount. It works on both Pandas. You can only use it once per cart though. Yo, guys, 5,000. That's crazy. I love you all. Thank you so much for reaching 5,000. Thank you for buying 4 eons. Are people still checking? Wow, we got 7 people checking out. This is crazy. Convert. As long as this keeps going, we'll keep Scopie 50 alive. As promised, let's take a little look at the maps over here, right? So we've just been working on the Bay. We don't have the lanes processed well yet. But you can see that we have pretty good coverage of the Bay Area. We have full coverage of all the highways. It looks like it stops right here. So you can see these are all the routes. Now, we don't have the Stitcher task running right now. Whoops. But you can see that each one of these is a frame. So every single one of these little things that you see is a frame somewhere in our data set. So let's look at that frame, right? We have lanes here as well. So let's hide these for now. Now, unfortunately, the lanes are not post-processed right now. So this is just with the gray panda as it purely is, but we're working on the script right now, which is gonna merge all of this into one. It's called Map Zipper. But that's where we have lanes. We have lanes on all the interstates in the Bay Area, and hopefully this will be done by October 1st. GPS is not being used in Vision D yet. We're gonna start using GPS in 0.6, and 0.6 is probably gonna require a gray panda. So you can see, like, look here, we can see, like, what's this road look like? Let's click here, and we can see it load up here. Look at that frame, right? It's beautiful. Let's see if we got orbs. I think we have orbs still. Oh yeah, look at these. So these are all the points that cluster in the comma.ai map. Let's disable that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that 3D map of the world. Too big. We're just adjusting the point size here. Not 43 bad, no. 3, good. So this is a 3-dimensional map of the world. You can see this is a bridge here. Those are on-ramps and off-ramps. You can see the, how could it be 3D map of the Earth? It's like, guys, I do have something I'm sorry to tell you. Even though we all know the Earth is flat, if you make maps where it's a small percentage of our Bay Area drives, if you like the fact that the stream looks anything but good. The truth about maps is if you make them not flat, if you try to make flat maps, they come for you. So unfortunately, we had to use the traditional round map. We are copying Google with the round. I know that Google promotes the round propaganda, and we are on board. I'm very sorry about it, but our maps are going to be based on a round Earth. I will announce this right now. Exclusive leaks. What do you mean the quality is really bad? So we don't have the Stitcher running yet. The Stitcher is going to fix a lot of this. Right now, we're just working on the infrastructure to get all the routes processed. So we can stitch it, like, there's just no, the quality, the streaming quality is bad. I don't know about that. I know, we're sellouts to Round Earth scam. Oh, guys, come on. All right. Anything else? Oh, Periscope quality's bad, I'm sorry. What about small flat countries like Holland? Well, we only make maps of America. Well, Periscope is bad about this. All this moving makes the stream look bad. Okay, we can zoom in and we can picture up of like a good map. So this is our map of the Bay Area. And the green is where we're gonna have lane coverage. Wow, Periscope quality is bad. Why not incorporate GPS in addition to vision? Like, people say things like that. When people say things like that, I'm like, oh, that's a brilliant idea. I never had that idea before. What if I use the GPS in conjunction with vision? Yeah, I mean, we know. It's hard. No. Why have the whole world if it's just America? Because it's cheaper to license map of the whole world. And by license, I mean download. Because you'd have to write a script to exclude only America. What am I pandering to? Pander for shit. But if you want to get $0 off a Panda, you can use discount code TROLLFACE. Not funny, heart. Love you. Tweeple. Tweeple? Is that the word? Tweeps? I love you, Scopies. I'm actually high this morning. I was going to smoke weed this morning, but I didn't. I'm in a good mood. This morning. Life's good. Am I high? No. No, not this morning. I did have a whole pure leaf tea and a mate earlier where I played some chess. I woke up at like 8 this morning. I had a mate and played chess. It's not girlfriend day today. I'm laying off girlfriend for now. I'm out of that game. You gotta focus on me. Like, why company buses are dumb. It's pancake day. I'm happy about pancakes. Why not do Twitch? Maybe we'll do Twitch later. Girlfriend misses me. Maybe she's watching this Periscope. She's not my girlfriend. If she's watching the Periscope. How did you learn electronics and robotics when you were young? I don't even know what that means, man. Can you use an Eon in... Is that Brazil? Toyota pedals? Company buses are dumb. Today's comma.ai day. All right, guys. Sorry to those people who are checking out right now. The discount code is about to... One more look at the beautiful map. Remember that we're going to try to have all the interstates done by the end of the year. See, look at that one. Look at that one. They were driving in the ocean. That one's got to go over there. We're not running the zipper right now. But that'll be fixed soon. Thank you. I'm glad you appreciate the preview of the maps. Look at all of this, man. And like you can see like the bridges down there on the texturing, but yeah, wow, that's GPS is really bad in the height axis. Who is George Hotz? How can you learn about slam tiling? I don't know, bros. But I love that people are liking this on Twitter and 5,000 Slacky. So I'll just leave this. Last chance. I'm about to turn off the discount code. We're about to drop that discount code. Not Trollface. Trollface will stay forever. We love Trollface. Trollface is a great discount. But where are comma.ai servers? We really appreciate all of you. First 5,000. comma.ai is gonna. There's no memory leaks. We fixed them all. It's in Azure, yeah. comma.ai hopefully under the reign of the new CEO, is about to grow like crazy. We're not showing the office off today. I work in this office. I work in research. You guys see my chair? Yeah, I got a gaming chair. You can game harder and more pro with it. That's what it said on the website. Glad to show you guys a little bit of preview of maps. And I'm PR, bros. I'm PR. I'm useless as a developer. I can't code, man. I can't code, man. We're all fans of Ricardo here. Let's get rid of that discount. Let's get rid of that Scopie 50 discount. 2 lucky people got Scopie 50. Disable. Bye-bye, Scopie 50. Oh, what happened to the LiDAR car? Oh, that experiment's being done. We're checking. We're working on making sure our maps are very precise right now. No, we're keeping the troll face discount. Don't worry. Don't worry. We're not getting rid of the troll face discount. Let's just tweet about this. First, love you all. Hashtag first 5,000. Oh, yeah. No, we got to say goal reached. Love you all. Hashtag first 5,000. I'm an Instagram thought. That's right. Goal reached. Love you. 1,000. Why am I rich? Because I scammed people out of money. That's how you get rich in this world. Talk about the new model. Okay, so here's our model architecture. You see these dropouts? So we use a lot of dropout to regularize it. But in new model, we remove those dropouts because we have so much data now that you don't actually need the dropouts. So I hope you guys enjoyed the previous model. Just a last minute. Bye-bye, Scopies.